start with the name of the God. Hello everyone. Good morning to everyone. So today the topic is how I can start work and close the deal for 2024 and be a best agent of the area or the building. Guys, first of all, choose your building. Choose 2 buildings. That is enough. Don't run around all the area JVC. Choose only 2 buildings. Once you choose 2 buildings, then you just get the availability from there. Always there's 10% availability. Holiday home, short-term rental. So once you get the availability, you have the property. Once you have the property, please list the property. And once you make the listing is live, always make it true check and verified. Once you make it verified, then always go to your manager and speak to him and make the listing in the first page. And once you're listing in the first page, definitely you receive the call. Once you receive the call, show your client for that property. The reason what happened, sometimes the picture is different and the property is different. Don't do this type of mistakes. Otherwise client will not take property from you, because the first impression is the last impression. And after the viewing, just give the whatever the offer he give it to you, give it to the owner. And whatever the price the owner give it to you, give it to the owner. And after that, just wait. 99% of the deal is happen, and you can close the deal. If in the middle of something happen, the owner is not agreed, the client is not agreed, just go and sit with your manager and tell him the story, and he will update you. Stay tuned for more videos.